Hey guys, this is Cody Hickman with 360 Catering again with you. We're doing today is National Spaghetti Day. So what we're going to do today is do a nice chicken breast, a little pesto, and of course spaghetti. So we've already done the spaghetti. I put it to the side, put a little olive oil in here so it stays nice and loose. It won't stick together. We'll put that out to the side for right now. We have the chicken breast, and we do this usually, we marinate this overnight normally. So put a little salt, a little pepper, a little Italian dressing, a little more Italian, a little more salt, pepper, pepper, pepper. I'm a big pepper person, so you have to forgive me on that part. Now, not to cross contaminate, we got to take these bolts off now that we have the chicken all over them. And of course, Magic TV. We have our chicken breast already ready. Beautiful, huh? So what I like to do is I like to slice the chicken breast right in half. That gives it nice, even chunks so you don't have to worry about any of the chunks being bigger than the others. So we'll get these all diced up and everything. What we're going to do is first start out by putting the pasta in the pan. We're going to put it on medium heat. That little guy's trying to run away from us. Use a little bit of pesto. We're going to put just a little bit of oil in there first. And then shoot some of this pesto out. Oh, that's beautiful, huh? So pesto is really easy to make. It's just fresh basil, pine nuts, Parmesan, garlic, a little salt, and of course, olive oil. We'll get this chicken, scrape it off into the pan. I'm going to add a little grated Parmesan. I like grated, I don't like ground as much. It goes through and the pasta and just makes it really nice and gives that nutty flavor to it. Gonna heat this up just a little bit. Hope everybody out there had a wonderful holiday and Happy New Year. Let's go ahead and get ready to plate this. Doesn't take very long for it to cook. If to heat up, because we already heated the chicken up. We'll move these babies over here. Do a little twirl. You'll see a lot of chefs do the twirl. It just gives it a nice little bit of height on the pasta itself. I like putting the chicken just right on top so you don't have to dig through everything to get your protein. Again, a little bit of Parmesan on top. Clean up our plate a little bit. And there you go. National Spaghetti Day with 360 Catering and Events. As always, you can find our recipes on the bottom of the YouTube page or on our website at 360cateringandevents.com. Thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow.